So I was jump starting my little Volkswagen Beetle, and in so doing, it caused a red battery warning light on my Mercedes, which is a little bit worrying. And I'd be a lot more concerned if I didn't have this lovely little Kingbolen K8 Pro. When you've got certain warnings that come on your car, especially these German cars, they're seen as safety critical items, and they won't just clear by themselves. For an example, if you've got like a bulb that has gone out, if you replace that bulb, the car knows you've replaced it, and the warning light will disappear from your dashboard. And that's actually the same for things like your O2 sensor. I've had it where the sensor will come on, especially if I haven't been using the car for a while. As I start to drive it, the car sees that everything's okay, and the fault light will then go from my dashboard. But when it's things to do with the safety side of it, in this case, the battery, which actually in turn works this SBS pump for the brakes, which is the front battery, the car doesn't like it. Let's get that cleared, and I'll show you just how to do it using my K8 Pro today. There's a full review on this, by the way, down below. So at the moment, when I turn the car, this is what I get faced with. We got this red battery warning. I'll plug in my OBD device. Little green light comes on the bottom there. That's now going to communicate with my Kingbolen K8 Pro. So into diagnostic, you can type in there, Mercedes, there it is there. Now it's connecting to the Bluetooth module. This screen is going to automatically find the car. It'll see the VIN number. There it is there, very fast. And I know it's the middle one, it's 2004. So now it's found the car. So to save a bit of time, rather than doing a full scan, I'm going to go into System Selection, and we're going to find the Battery Control Module, which will probably be something like BCM. There's a BNS, Vehicle Power Supply Control Module. That's the one. Ignition is on, yes. And we're going to go and read the fault code. And there it is there. Battery disconnected, and it's talking about the starter battery. So the starter battery in this Mercedes is in the front. There's also a big auxiliary battery that sits in the back, and that does all the electronics for the car. But the main one for starting the car is that little one in the front there. And sometimes you'll find this when you're jump starting a car, you've got to be careful. Those sudden little surges, and you're putting another vehicle in parallel, it can cause a little bit of a hiccup, and the car can get a bit confused. So fingers crossed, I'm going to clear these codes, the problem will go away, and the red light will go off my dash. So let's press clear fault codes. Are you sure you want to clear the fault code? Yes. Switch off ignition. Press OK. Wait 10 seconds. Switch it back on again. OK. Clear fault memory completed. Let's press OK. And so importantly now, let's see if we go back into that module if there's any more fault codes. Read fault codes. No fault codes found. They're all gone. Now, has the red light gone off my dashboard? That's the main thing. So let's start the car and see what happens. Malfunction memory, no malfunctions found. So there you go, yet again, my little Kingbolen has saved the day. I don't have any more red warning lights on my dashboard. And it just goes to show you that when you have a little diagnostic tool such as this here, just how invaluable these are. I probably would have gone to a dealer to get that cleared. As I said, sometimes they do go by themselves, but when you've got a diagnostic tool that you can do it yourself, you know what? Why spend £60 at a garage to do it for you when you can just do it yourself, and it's free updates for life. Thanks for watching. That's a super quick one. I'll see you on the next one.